I think that we cannot talk about working family balance if we don't put in evidence the real sickness of the families. Because of course it's up to you, it's your job as politicians to find political solutions. But now the worst sickness of the families is the loneliness. So we cannot solve, even proposing modalities to have a good working family balance without thinking about the loneliness of the families. Because it's true, in the past, the families had more children. Even the economical situation was different. But the villages where our grandparents lived, they were happy to be part of the communities growing up with new children. Because a child was not just a child of the family, but a child of the community. So now we don't have to live thinking about villages, of course. We are in a future society. But we can recreate the quality of those relations. So we need more network of families. Because if you create network of families just with very good legislative proposals, then you can have a good balance. But if you stop yourself just thinking about legislative procedures or legislative proposals, and you don't think about the families as a community, I think that we don't solve anything. We just waste time. So our proposal is, family is a resource. Is the resource, is not the sickness of the society, is not the sickness of the society, but is the care of the sickness.